What is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we are going to be unboxing one of my all-time favorite subscription boxes, the Wordy Traveler subscription box. This is a quarterly subscription box that does combine a love for travel and a love for literature. Now, prices of these plans do vary depending on which box that you subscribe to and how long you subscribe to this box. This Wordy Traveler that I am unboxing today and have been unboxing is the Backpacker Edition. I am going to be leaving the information for all of the other items and their prices down below in the description box, as well as the Wordy Traveler's website, so you can check it out for yourself and decide which plan is right for you or for a gift. However, this Backpacker Edition, I'm pretty sure that I subscribe to the Fiction Backpacker Edition. This has a quarterly price of $49.99. So this is the summer edition of the Wordy Traveler, and this summer they are taking us to the East Coast Seaside. Now, if you do like the items within this box is still, at time of upload at least, still on sale at the Wordy Traveler. So lately, the Wordy Traveler has been making their boxes a whole, like, sort of all-inclusive sort of experience. They have been including little magazine type things like this that have fun facts about the destination that they are bringing us to, as well as a quote. So this is from an author unknown. The ocean is everything I want to be, beautiful, mysterious, wild, and free, as well as some movie recommendations. They also include always a Spotify playlist, which I think is really fun to put that playlist on and then read the book that is within your box. And then a recipe. So this quarter, the recipe is for a Boston cream pie. And then on the back, they have some information about Adventures by Disney, which I will link all of that information down below in the description box. The Wordy Traveler is going on, I think there might still be seats available in 2022, I think it is. Yes. They are going to Peru via Adventures by Disney. So I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave that down below in case you wanted to check that out for yourself. In our Wordy Traveler envelope, we have a reminder that a portion of the proceeds of this box goes to Vitamin Angels. And we have a little sort of menu of what they have put inside of this box. As long as I have been subscribed to the Wordy Traveler, they always include some sort of beverage, either coffee, tea, sometimes both. And this quarter, they sent us some tea. This is a New England iced tea blend from Ohio Tea Company. We usually do get loose tea blends from this company, and I have really been enjoying those. So this says that it makes a smooth, clear iced tea. So they sent tea to drink while reading the book, and they sent some goodies to munch on while reading the book as well. I have a little bag of salt water taffy. Yum. So the next item that I'm pulling out is a bookmark, and this is quite a unique bookmark. One, love the presentation of this bookmark. Would be perfect for a gift. But I'm going to keep it because you can never have too many bookmarks, or at least I can never have too many bookmarks. Keeping with that New England seaside theme, they sent an anchor bookmark. Each quarter, the Wordy Traveler does also send a charm. This charm is usually inspired by the destination, and I was having trouble kind of grasping it. This is a whale tail charm. So I definitely do think that you could put their charms that they do send on a charm bracelet if you would like, but they almost always have some sort of little thing that you can slip like a chain through or something to make a necklace out of, and I think this one would make a great necklace. Next thing that I'm pulling out of the box is a print. Now, the Wordy Traveler does also send destination-inspired prints in their boxes, and I have them all. I have them all like kind of stacked in a box on my shelf. I really do need to buy a frame to put them in so that I can hang them up around my apartment just because they're so beautiful. They come nicely matted, so really easy to find a frame for them. Or if you would like to give it as a gift, I definitely think that this would be perfect for that. This is stunning. My goodness, I wish I was there right now. It looks beautiful and so relaxing. This is a print of a lighthouse oil painting. See, usually whenever I think of seaside, by the way, I guess living in the South, usually whenever I think of like beach or like beachside, it's not so much seaside, it's beachside, more so like Gulf side. because, you know, like the Gulf of Mexico is there. Living in Louisiana, the Gulf of Mexico is right there. But yeah, so usually whenever I think of beachside or seaside, I guess seaside, yes, this is the first thing that comes to mind. But let me know in the comments down below when you think of like water and you're going to have like a relaxing day by the shore, I guess you would say, like the shoreline. Do you think something like this, or do you think like sandy white beaches sort of thing? I would love to know. Let me know down below. Now we have made it to the last 2 items of this box, and this is one that I knew was coming because I saw spoilers over on the Wordy Traveler's Instagram account, and I was wondering how they were going to fit it in the box, but I see now they rolled it up. It is a packable straw Vienna visor, which is perfect for like the seaside or the beach. Definitely. Oh, it's cute. So this is how it has the elastic. That's what it's called. It has the elastic right there, and it forms a bow right here. Let me see if I can put it on, see what it looks like. I guess it would make more sense to secure the Velcro first. I think I'm going to have to do a mini photo shoot with this. This is cute. I like it. I like what a wide brim it has. So I know she did not wear a visor and it was not this big, but honestly, I sort of feel like Anne Shirley in Anne of Green Gables, in all honesty, is sort of like life goals. This quarter I received the novel The Sound of Wings by Suzanne Simonetti. Ooh, there's butterflies on the inside as well. Lovely. Let me read the synopsis of this book for you in case you were interested. 70-year-old Goldie Sparrows faces declining finances, questionable health, and a late husband who torments her from the beyond. She seeks refuge in her butterfly garden, which is filled with voices and memories from long ago. Joycelyn Anderson is a struggling writer who finds escape from her custody battle in the journal of her late mother-in-law, only to discover that her own husband has a hidden history she never knew about. Crystal Axelrod is living a life she never dreamed she could have, and yet demons from her youth continue to cast their shadow over her ability to feel whole, capable, and worthy. Does Goldie hold the key to Crystal's path to freedom? A masterfully crafted tale of love, friendship, betrayal, and the risks we take in the pursuit of justice. Right, so that does sound interesting and will be going in my ever-growing list of to be read by the end of 2021. So those were the items within the 2021 summer journey to the East Coast Seaside from the Wordy Traveler. Little spoiler about next quarter. Next quarter will be taking us on a journey to Ireland. Now, if you do want to watch other Wordy Traveler unboxings from me, past unboxings, I am going to be linking that playlist in the description box down below so you can check it out. Now it is that time. If you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below. I guess if you didn't like this video, fair's fair, you can give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this month's box and what your favorite item in the box was. And if you think that somebody else would like to see this video or would like the subscription box, please do share this video with them. If you have not done so already, please do consider joining our community here on YouTube. We would love to have you and get to know you. You can do so by hitting that red subscribe button and ringing that bell right below this video. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.